Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. And today I am here with a 6-pack PowerBox. I actually found this at Walmart and I'm very interested to see what's inside. I very much like the 6 random booster. It comes with 6 booster packs and a promo card, and I like that you don't know what packs unless these are the packs maybe. I'm not sure. Either way, I love like mystery boxes and stuff like that, so I thought this would be really cool. So I'll be back with a new angle and what's inside. Here we go. Alrighty, here we go. Here are the contents. We have our promo code. Oh my gosh! That is so cool. Look at that. It's from the I Choose You movie. Holy crap, that is actually awesome. That is so neat. Alright, that's already like worth it. Holy crap. Okay, what do we have here? We have Sun and Moon Guardians Rising, Breakpoint, ooh, X and Y Evolutions, Breakthrough, Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion. And actually this isn't even like just an open pack. This is still in the thingy. There we go. There we go. Alrighty, so I'm going to open up X and Y Evolutions last because there is a chance for a holo base set reprint Charizard in here. So we're going to open that last. I'm going to open up actually Breakthrough first. Now there are chances to get break cards, and I'm actually a big fan of the break cards. Oh, well, here's a code, because that one was facing the opposite direction, so there's a code. And I actually very much like the break cards because it's like a golden Pokemon. So 3 from the back. So we have Braixen, Spupa, Stunfisk, Piplup, Pansage, Edgem, oh dear, see, look at that, I still can't even pronounce some of these names. Cubone, Hippopotas. Yes, this is what I was talking about. Noivern Break. And then a regular rare Semi-Seer. Yes, this is what I was talking about. A break card. I don't know if I already have this one. I will have to check. But either way, that's awesome. I freaking love these because it's like a golden Pokemon. And I think that's the coolest thing. Alright, next is Breakpoint. Oh, actually, you know what? Let me open up a Crimson Invasion. Just, you know, switching it up, maybe, if I can get this. Okay, here we go. Now, since it's Sun and Moon, I'll have to remember to 4 cards because there's the energy card. Alright, Darkness Energy, Usamini, oh geez, I am so sorry if I'm butchering some of these names. Kakuna, Aglagor, geez, Execute, Jigglypuff, Chimiko, Spoink, Swablu, Reverse, Salandit, and a Holo Beware. Well, that's cool. At least we got a Holo. That's definitely helpful. Holo is nice. Next, I will open up. Let's do regular Sun and Moon. Oh, geez, alright, well, guess what? Looks like another code for everyone. There you go. Then we have 4 cards. Here we go. Lightning Energy, Torracat, Energy Switch, Trumbeak, Grubbin, Crawl Brawler, Sandile, Alola Meowth, Pick-a-Peck, Reverse, oh dear, and then a regular rare Masquerena. Okay, well, thank you. Next, I will do Breakpoint. Hopefully another break card would be awesome. 2, 3, because it's X and Y. And here we go. Purugly, Bayleaf, Electivire, Rattata, Froakie, Electabuzz, Trubbish, Forseed, Reverse Phantom, and a regular rare Luxray. Nothing good there. Okay, second to last pack. Didn't even get a GX or an EX or anything like that. Like, that kind of really sucks. 4. There we go. Energy, Multi-Switch, Watchog, Glalie, Gothita, Pancham, Alolan Vulpix, Chansey, Petlily, Reverse Gligar, and a regular rare Garbodor. Jeez, Okay, so this is the last pack right here. Last pack, okay? I am hoping for one good pull. It can be an EX. It can be like the Charizard reprint. It could be pretty much anything. I'm hoping for anything because 3 from the back to the front, because so far my luck has not been the best. So we have a Super Potion, Charmeleon, Venusaur Spirit Link, Staryu, Onix, a Fairy Energy, Voltorb, Tangela. Oh my gosh, we got a break card. We got a Ninetales break. I didn't even remember that there were break cards in this set. And then regular rare Farfetch'd. Alrighty, well that was interesting. So let's just do, I guess, like a little recap. What were the best cards here? So first we have this Ash's Pikachu with, I believe that's the 4th gen hat promo, which is really awesome. Then we have a Noivern break, which I'm telling, I do very much enjoy these break cards because it's like a golden Pokemon. It is so cool. And then a Ninetales break. So cool. And then a Holo Beware. So that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. This was super fun. And please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!